Hello everyone and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a closer look at XAUUSD, analyzing both the recent news and the candlestick chart data to make informed trading decisions. We will look at recent news and current events related to XAUUSD. Then we will dive into the candlestick charts, examining trends, support, and resistance. According to recent news, XAUUSD has regained traction, stabilizing above $3,300 due to safe haven demand amidst trade uncertainty. President Trump's trade war escalations are driving safe haven flows into gold. Reduced expectations of an immediate Fed rate cut are supporting the US dollar, potentially acting as a headwind. It is important to note FX Street analyst Aaron Singezer suggests that gold's 2025 outlook depends on Federal Reserve, Fed, policy, Donald Trump's decisions, and geopolitics. Now let's switch over to the daily chart and analyze the candlestick patterns. We can see a period of upward movement starting in late February 2024, climbing from around $2,034 to a peak around $2,471 by July 2024. The price then enters a period of consolidation with several pullbacks and recoveries. From approximately late October 2024 to mid-January 2025, the price oscillates between approximately $2,600 and $2,750, showing indecision. The uptrend resumes afterward, reaching a high near $3,355 by April 2025. Most recently, XAUUSD has been hovering in the $3,250 to $3,350 range from May 2025 to present. We saw a significant peak in April of 2025 around $3,471, which is a key level to keep an eye on. Let's zoom in on the recent price action from March 2025 onward for a closer look. On the one-day chart, between March and July 2025, we observed several attempts to break above the $3,350 resistance level, but all attempts were rejected. This range between $3,250 and $3,350 indicates a battle between bulls and bears. If the price breaks above $3,360, further gains towards $3,400 could happen, as suggested by FX Street. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the short-term trends. Looking at the most recent data, we can see some short-term choppiness with indecision. The 15-minute chart gives us an even closer look at intraday movements. We can see some short upward and downward movements here. Overall, XAUUSD is currently range-bound. Look for breakouts above $3,360 for bullish signals and breakdowns below $3,250 for bearish signals. The likelihood of breaking above $3,400 is moderate if trade tensions escalate and the Fed remains dovish. The likelihood of dropping below $3,200 will increase if trade tensions ease and US dollar strengthen. Keep an eye on upcoming economic data releases, particularly US inflation data, as it could influence the Fed's monetary policy and impact gold prices. Geopolitical developments, especially regarding trade wars, will continue to be major drivers for safe haven demand. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Remember to do your own research and trade responsibly.